Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the floral thing over here. I was really inspired by, the likes of Khloe Kardashian, Kim Kardashian, the amazing floral arrangements that they get. I just think they're stunning. So yes, that's what I'm going to show you how to create today. I got my flowers from a company called Berries and Grey. I'll have it linked in the description below. They do so many stuff. They don't only do flowers, they do homeware accessories and stuff as well, but they also do pre-done floral arrangements. The reason I went with that company is because they do the best faux flowers, which is so good. Yeah, no, I decided to go with faux flowers for this one because I didn't know when I was going to get a chance to film it, and I also want them to last for a while, and with faux flowers they last for pretty much forever. So yeah, that's why I went there. A bit more expensive, but when you add in the time and stuff, so if you went to get real flowers, they last for maybe a week and then they'd be dead, whereas faux flowers they last forever and they always look the exact same, so they're always going to be perfect. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. If you're new to my channel, my name is James. I'm an interior designer here in Ireland. I post pretty regularly recently. All my social media links will be down in the description below if you want to go check me out on there. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is order your flowers, obviously, or you can go and buy real flowers if you would like. I chose an off-white kind of rose, and then I also got an orchid as well to kind of go in the centre. I'll have a picture up here of the Khloe Kardashian's one that I was inspired by. So when you get your flowers, you're just going to want to cut them to size. I got my vase and I kind of measured then the height from the vase, and then I cut it, but you have to be careful because it's a wire that's in the middle of the stem, behind underneath the green stuff. So be careful with that because I struggled with that when I was doing it. But you want to cut them to size. I kind of done 4 or 5 around the bottom, and then I done another 4 on the middle, and I done a couple more at the top. I got my vase in TK Maxx and it was originally gold, but I just spray painted it silver because it just matched my room decor better. Hers, Khloe Kardashian's, are white vase pots that she has, and they're probably triple the size of this floral arrangement, but that wouldn't fit in here. So you can tailor it to your own kind of setting as well, and how big or how small you want it. I ordered 10 roses and 1 orchid, and that done perfectly. So that's what I ordered, and it came to, I think it was €90, I think it was. So it was only €93 to do this, whereas Khloe Kardashian's one would be about probably thousands, definitely thousands. But yeah, so you want to cut your flowers, and then when you cut your flowers, you're going to just arrange them in the vase neatly. I kind of tied 2 flowers together, 2 roses together, just kind of keep them in position and close together because it's very clustered. It's very clustered, the positioning of them. And then I got blue tack then and put at the bottom to kind of keep it in place as well, because they're just flying everywhere and they weren't sitting where I wanted them to sit. So I put blue tack at the bottom, and I just kind of layered it up and just like that. And then I kind of used the stems. I cut the other half of them and placed them in as well, just to kind of fill up the space inside the actual vase. And yeah, that was literally it, and that's how I got this look. Hold on, I'll bring it closer. So this is it won't focus at all, but it's literally like this. It has all its roses, and then it has the orchid on the middle then. And that is it, and it's the vase I spray painted silver. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!